Hey y'all. Well, I wanted to share with you my Artisan Journal Prompt 2025. This is week 9, and the prompt is birds. So I decided, finally, I've been thinking all week long about what I wanted to do, and finally I decided to draw a bird. I did my very best, and I decided to draw the eastern bluebird. Every time I see them, it really gives me some joy, some happiness, like the happiness, the bluebird of happiness. So here is my rendition of an eastern bluebird. Let's see if I can get it up real close so you can see it good. Okay. Well, y'all have a good evening, a good day, a good afternoon. And please remember to be kind to someone. Someone needs your kindness today. Bye.